So, hello and welcome everyone to today's LeetCode challenge. This is our day 303, and today's LeetCode challenge is question number 3174, named clear digits. We have given a string s, and our task is to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. We have to do some operation on the given string, and the operation is we have to delete the first digit. That means the first occurring digit in string and its closest non-digit character to its left. That means immediate left non-digit character to the digit. And after doing this repeatedly, we have to return the resultant string after removing all the digits from the given string. So let us take the example number one. Example number one is s equals to a, b, c, and we will find that we have no digit in this, so we can return this as it is. And in example number second, we will traverse from I equals to 0 and check if it is a digit or not. No, it is not. Then I equals to 1. Yes, it is not a digit as well. Then go to the next index and found out that this is a digit. So we have, that is 3. So we have to delete its immediate closest non-digit character to its left. That means to its previous ones. The immediate closest non-digit character to its left is this b, so we have to delete this b. So the resultant string should be now c4, like this. And again we found out that this has 4 as a digit, so we have to delete its immediate closest non-digit character to its left, that is c, and we will delete that. And the remaining string is now an empty string, and we have to return that. So let us dry run our code. What could be the code for this? We will first make a stack of characters that stores characters, and now we have to traverse on our given string. That means like this a, b, c. We first fetch this a and check if it is a digit. If this is a this given character is a digit, and also we have to check if the given stack is empty or not. If this is not empty, that means it should have some character present in this, so we can pop that from our stack. If that is the case, that's the given stack is empty and we trying to pop out from this stack, then this will give us an error. So this condition is necessary in case of popping out some characters from the given stack. And we find that this is not a digit, and also the stack is empty as well. But if it has and in between them, so one of the condition is false, though the compiler will not check the other conditions. So what could be the next step? If this condition is not true, then we have to push that character in our stack. That means push our a in this stack. That means here a will be pushed. Let us change the color of this. We change this by this a, and our top is now pointing to this character. The stack top is now pointing to this. And now again a character, this character b is fetched, and check if it is a digit or not. No, it is not a digit, so again we have to push this in stack b, and our top is now pointing to this. Let us erase the previous tops. Now this c is fetched, and check if it is a digit or not. No, this is not a digit, so this will be pushed into the stack, and our pointer of top is now pointing to this. After that, the string length gets over and we initialize a empty string t that is initially empty like this, and then we will traverse to our stack until the stack gets empty. While stack is not empty, that means traverse on stack until it gets empty. Uh, then assignment our stack top plus t, that means t is now stack ka top, that is c, plus an empty string. So this plus is now the concatenation step in string. So this will convert it to c, and the t is now string t is now converted to like this c, and this case pop out from this text. So this character c is pop out, and this top pointer will now points to this b. So make that to point to b. Again we will check if the stack is empty or not. No, the stack is still not empty, so add stack top plus t, that means stack top is b plus the current string, that means c. So and assign that to string t. So the string t is now b c, and again we will check that whether the stack is empty or not, and we found out that stack is still not empty. It has one character, that means a. So add that and concatenate the current t in that means a, plus the current t, that means bc, and the resultant string will be a, b, and c, and assign that to the t like this. And finally we found out that our stack get empty, so we have to return the resultant t string, that means abc, to the caller. This will conclude our example number 1. Let us dry run our code for example number 2 and check. First, this c will be fetched, and check if this c is a digit or not. No, this is not a digit, so push that into the stack, that means here c will be pushed and top will points to this. Again b is checked if that is a digit or not. No, this is not a digit, so push that inside the stack, and top will points to this. Here is the previous top pointer. Now this 3 is fetched, and check if it is a digit or not. Yes, it is a digit, so this AND condition is also checked this time. Checked if stack is not empty. Is that stack is not empty? Yes, stack is not empty. It has some characters present in it. So pop out the topmost characters. So we have to pop our current top character. That means this. and our top is now points to this C. Now again the this 4 is fetched and check if it is a digit or not. Yes, it is a digit and stack is still not empty, so pop out the current character present in its stack and the stack will now empty and our string is also fully traversed. So we will this for loop is completed and we initialize our stack t string to an empty string like this and check move and traverse on stack until it's get empty. So this while loop will never execute because stack is empty, so we have to return this empty string to our caller. In example number 3 as well, we we have first x, so this x is pushed into this and then z is still not a digit, so this z is pushed. U is not a digit, so this u is pushed and then z again and z is still not a digit, so this is pushed inside and then this r is pushed inside the stack and then when this 2 comes, this will check that if it is a digit, yes, it is a digit and stack is not empty, so both conditions gets true. So we have to pop out our top element from the stack and the current top element in stack is this r, so we have to pop out this r from this stack and the current is now pointing to this z and again this g will check if that is a digit or not. No, this is not a digit, so push that inside that stack and then h and similarly I, then this l, then y and then t and k as well, this t and this k is also pushed inside that stack as well, this k. Now this t initialized to initially an empty string, that means t is an empty string now and check this will move, this while loop will run until the stack gets empty or not. So this is that will check the condition if that stack is currently empty or not. No, this is not empty, so this condition gets true and this will make our t to stack top plus the current t. So this our stack top is k and our current t is an empty string, so this will make the string like this and this will assign to our t, that means t is now this and this will pop out from our stack, the topmost character is pop out, so our top is now pointing to this d. So this will again makes our stack a top, that means this d plus this current t string, that means t plus k, this will make the current string as tk and pop out the current top of the stack, that means this d is popped out from that stack and again similarly we go to the next top of this, that means this y plus the current t, that is y plus dk, this will convert it to this y dk and this y is now popped out from this stack and similarly In this fashion, all the characters are popped out and the current string is converted to this X, Z, U, Z, G, H, L, Y, D, K. So this will make our current T as this X, Z, L, K, and finally we have to return our this string as the answer. So this current T is now returned to the caller as the answer. So we can also check this condition by the inbuilt C++ functions. That means we can check this using this isDigit function, isDigit, and similarly in Java and Python as well. This inbuilt function is available, but we will check this condition for isDigit like this as well. So let us code this and first initialize a stack of characters named st, and then move on the input string until to its last character. First we have to check if this current character is a digit or not. That means like this, and also the stack should not be empty. If both condition gets true, so we have to pop out our current top element from stack, and that condition is false, so we have to push our current character inside the stack. After that, let us initialize an answer string named t and move on the stack until the stack gets empty, and assign the stack top plus the current t concatenation into the t, and let us pop out our current top element from the stack and finally return our current t. Let us run this and check if it is running fine or not. It is running fine, so let us submit this. So this will concluded our today's lead code challenge, and completion string is now 304 days. And thank you so much guys if you have learned something from this video, and if you learned the concept, so please do like and do subscribe to our channel and follow this YouTube channel for daily lead code challenges. And thank you so much.